Change your mindset, change your world. Queens, the minute you change your mindset, you start changing your world. Your thoughts shape your choices. Your choices shape your habits. And your habits, they shape your life. You don't have to wait for the perfect condition or approval of others. Shift how you think, and you'll shift how you show up. This is your season to believe bigger, dream bolder, and love deeper. Because when a woman transforms her mind, she doesn't just change her home, she changes generations. So, Queen, change your mindset. You have control over your mindset. Change it and go and be great, girl.